Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab In 5. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little review of the new BUXOM Plump Shot, which is a collagen-infused lip plumping serum. So this is an advanced lip plumper that is clinically shown to visibly plump lips, decrease the appearance of lines and wrinkles quickly, and it does provide a plumping, tingling sensation upon application. And that is correct. It is quite tingly. It's maybe not the worst that I've ever felt, but it is kind of up there. It's pretty intense tingling sensation. If you are sensitive to that tingling sensation, I will say it is quite intense. You can wear alone as a lip treatment or as a clear gloss. It says you can mix it into your glosses. That would actually be interesting to do. I will say I have tried this a couple times. I have used it over top as almost like a gloss. I don't really like it. Today we're going to be using it as a serum. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is apply it to my lips and then kind of let it just work for a while, maybe 10 minutes. And when I come back, we'll see what we're left with. Does it actually make a difference? This is the applicator. So it's quite small and it is completely clear. The bottle is frosted. I actually like the packaging of this. It's quite pretty. Let's just go ahead and apply so you guys can see what it looks like. And I did take a photo before I did this. And then when I come back, I'm going to take another photo so you can really actually see the before and after. It says to only apply within the perimeter of your lips. And the reason they say that is because it can actually create redness on your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup and I'll come back in about 10 minutes to show you the results. Okay, so it has been on for at least 10 minutes. Now that I'm looking at the photos, and I'm going to have them up here for you guys as well. I do think it plumps in the sense that it smooths out the lines in your lips, and that ultimately makes them look a little juicier. So I do think it works. Now I'm going to go ahead and kind of just work this into the lip. It does feel quite hydrating and really, really nice. I'm going to use the NYX suede shoes. Now let's see what it looks like with some lipstick. So I definitely still overlined a little bit. I just applied my lip products like I normally would, and I do feel like my lips look bigger. I'm not gonna lie. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab a gloss and quickly mix it with one of my favorite glosses and see how that goes. So I grabbed my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Jewel Lips gloss. The only thing that's like annoying about this is you have to put your gloss on the back of your hand and then put this serum on the back of your hand. Just seems like a lot of work. And then I guess I'll use my finger. Yeah, that's going on better. When I applied this serum on top of my lip products the other day, it kind of didn't mix well, but this is doing a lot better of a job. So if you want to use it as like a gloss, I'd recommend mixing it with your favorite gloss. I do feel like my lips look bigger. Comment below, do you guys think my lips look bigger? I don't know. So I'm gonna see how long it lasts. I'm gonna keep you guys updated and then I will come back at the end of the day with my final review. Hey guys, so it has been a couple hours and my lipstick completely wore off. Now I do kind of feel like applying it with the gloss did the exact same thing that I felt it did when I applied it on top of lipstick just itself before. The longer that I wore it, it almost like broke apart the lipstick. So I personally don't like applying it over top of lip products. I don't think it sits well on top. So I personally think it's best to apply it underneath, let it sit for like 10 to 30 minutes. I don't think it lasts that long. So I really personally don't love this product. I don't think it's worth the money. It's obviously something I have to continue to test, but upon first impression and just after using it a couple times, I think I like my glosses better because it's kind of a more of a multi-use, like I can just pop it on top of my lip products. I love my Too Faced injections. They would be similar in terms of like tingling sensation. I also like the Mac Plumping ones. They're a little bit less intense. Okay guys, so I have my final opinion after comparing to the Mac Plumping Gloss, and I honestly think they do about the exact same job. I do think the Mac ones kind of stimulate the lips as well. You get that tingling sensation, and I do think it makes them look a little bit more full. Even if the BUXOM is slightly more plumping, I don't really think it's enough to be worth the purchase in my opinion. But I think that to save your money, I really would recommend a gloss. That way you can actually use it on top without it ruining your lipstick. So that's my personal opinion. I think it is not really worth the purchase. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.